In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Reddit account permanently. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go here into reddit.com, or you can do this in the app. Either way works. So first is that you would need to know your username right here. So make sure that you remember that, and then your password. You should also know that in order for you to finalize the deletion of your Reddit account. And now, next is what you want to do is go into your profile icon here in the top right, go into settings, and then next go here into advanced. Under at that, you'd see the delete account option. So click on it. And from here, you can see the reason for leaving. So you could leave out your reason if you'd want to, but that is only optional. So I'm just going to proceed into my username right now, right here, which is this one. And then provide a password right there. So I'm just going to provide my password in here, and make sure to tick this box that you understand that deleted accounts are not recoverable, and click on delete to proceed. And then after that, it will now be in process for deletion. So there it is. As you can see, the account has now been deleted, and that's it on how you can delete your Reddit account permanently. Thank you for watching.